National tragedies are one of the hardest things to deal with, and usually you don't see what it's like to be inside of those. But thankfully we have this man who saved his child in a tornado, and I just really wanted to share it with y'all.
Move this over. Awesome, high five. Jesus Christ. The baby.
No, that man is not a true hero. I'm sorry, I did lie to you on the clickbait, but he is one of the most dramatic TikTok skit channels I've ever seen. I would like to introduce you to Louis Anderson? Louisa? I randomly found one of his videos, that one that we just watched with 15.3 million views, and immediately was like, we gotta talk about this. So let's just get into it. Let's keep watching these. I do not know if these are satire or not. I mean, judging by the fact that we just watched an infant child have a trampoline slammed on top of it, I think they might be satire, but there's no indication of that. So you be the judge. Let me know in the comments if you think this man is satire or if these are genuinely trying to be real. I couldn't tell you, honestly.
How could you do this to me, Anna? You were my wife! How could you sleep with my brother? I just get back from war! We've been married for 20 years! We've got 2 kids, for God's sake!
I feel horrible for laughing. I really... it's like... It's just... His face is so wet. And I love his scream at every start of the video, like the little teaser clip at the beginning of each of these. Here's my thing. Here's why I think this man is being genuine. I think that he thinks he is a great actor. And let me be honest, he's not. But I will say the script might have something to do with that. And on top of that, he can cry. So, you know, I think he's got some merit to it. Maybe a Hallmark movie, maybe... fucking a YouTube drama skit, maybe. You could do some stuff with that. I think he can exceed TikTok. But you know, let's see.
How could you do this to me?
It's so dramatic.
Help me! Houston! Help me! Houston! Do you have a visual copy? This is astronaut Richard Gray. My team are dead. Repeat, my team are dead. There's something out here with us. It killed them all. They were hurt pretty bad, whatever it is.
They killed them all. We were hurt pretty bad. What? Do you think he thought he was cooking with this? Do you think he was like, oh, this shit, they're gonna love this shit, man. They're
not human. I've never had anything like it before. We found other human remains. Skeletons. Whatever killed my team, killed them too. What the hell am I doing up here, Houston? What the hell am I really doing up here? Wait, what was that? Something is inside my suit. It's crawling up my leg, what the fuck? It's on my stomach! It's fucking... It's crawling on my fucking chest, Jesus Christ! Oh, fuck! It's fucking carrying me open!
This can't be real, right? He can't be serious. No way. Oh, he's on my stomach. He's crawling up my chest. He's gripping my balls. It's licking my balls. Oh, I'm sorry. That was dumb. That was a dumb joke. This man, he is so overdramatic. But you know what? He has 1.8 million followers. So I can't knock it. I kind of love it. I kind of love the beautiful content that he's producing because the production value is honestly quite high, and he's obviously making some good money from these. These are each exceeding a minute long. It's on TikTok. That's how you make the money. You know, I think he's doing pretty good. I think, you know, out of all of the channels that I've looked at on TikTok, I think he's one of my favorites for real. What? Where's the explanation for that? He laid down and he randomly just gets tied up by this yarn that he can very easily rip away. I'm just saying. He's a big man. That man's got some mass. He's got some mass.
What the fuck?
No! 90 seconds.
Siri, call Dad.
Hello?
Hi, Dad. It's Mum here.
I will put her on.
Hello, Nick.
Hi, Mum.
Is everything all right?
I'm fine. I just wanted to say how much I love you and Dad. And I just wanted you to know you've always...
Who's recording these? Like, who's got their phone and it's just like, yeah, make sure your mouth is nice and wet, okay? I got my balls are touching your tip right now. Just don't think about that. Why is it so wet? What? This is a genuine question. But seriously, why is his mouth that wet? I don't understand. How are they doing that? Like, when he cries, does he just start secreting liquids and fluids from all of his body? I don't want to think about that, actually. Never mind.
amazing parents. And I don't think I've said that enough. I've got to go now, Mum. Siri.
He had to get that signature scream in. He had to get it.
I give you everything I've got to give you. I give you your life. Like you. Who the hell says I got to like you? What law is there that says I got to like you? Don't you eat every day? Got a roof over your head? Got clothes on your back? I go to work every morning and break my back to support you. It's my job. It's my responsibility. A man is supposed to take care of his family. You live in my house, fill your belly with my food, put your backside on my bed because you are my son. Not because I like you. Because it is my duty to take care of you. I owe a responsibility to you. Now let's get this straight, right here, right now, before we go along any further. I haven't got to like you.
What is this prompt? What? Why? How does he think of these? He's like, you know what? I want to rant to a fake son for a solid minute and 30 seconds. I want to sit in a car in a parking lot, get my eyes red and wet, and just verbally abuse my son for a minute and 30 seconds.
Everything I've got to give you. I give you your life. Now get the hell out of my car. Damn it!
Damn it!
If someone believed me, they would be as in love with you as I am. They would be as in love with you as I am. They would be as in love with you as I am. They would be in.
Lord of mercy, don't tell me he's doing this. Don't tell him. Alright, listen, time out real quick. If he's making a joke about this and he's using his child, his infant child, as a joke, ain't no way. Alright, he said hashtag awareness. We'll just say this is a hashtag awareness, but if this is a joke video from him, it's crazy. I also think using your own child for content, showcasing him drowning, is a little questionable. But all right, well, let's see. Maybe I'm jumping too quick.
Love, love. And every day I am learning about you, the things that no one else sees. And the end comes too soon, like dreaming of angels.
What? That's crazy. That's so unhinged. Oh my god, that's crazy. Actually crazy.
Mum, where are you? I need you to sit down. I've got some bad news. Amy, she's dead. Amy's dead, Mum. Please! Please, no!
Alright, let's be real. Let's be real with each other. Alright, I'm gonna be 100%. These are entertaining as hell. Alright, I will admit that. There's no part of me that won't admit that. But I will also say he's kind of one note. Alright, he's got his yell, he's got his spit, he's got his wet mouth, he's got his crying. And that's about it. That's like he's a one-note actor, you know? Listen, Louisa, whatever your name is. Not saying that disrespectfully, just I don't know which one is your name. Is it Louis or Louisa? There's no space in your name. Word of advice from an acting coach like myself. I'm in plenty of things like the Kirby Kip Show and Bombing with Ramen, one of the best YouTube series on earth. Just saying. Let me be real with you. You know, you gotta get some diversity. You know, get some real acting in there. You know, crying is good. You know, being upset, that's good. But you need to learn how to get angry and not cry, you know? You know, we had the one where you were yelling at your son, but you were just sobbing the whole time. Let's be real. You weren't even furious. You were just crying like a little bitch. You know, if you're gonna cry like a real man. You know, like this. That's how you really do it. You know, I don't know if you can see, but there's a tear. There's a tear right there in my eye. It's there. It might not see it. Honestly, my waterworks are a little dry this morning. But my shit wasn't, so that's good. It was nice wet shit, came out nice and smoothly, no issues there. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but anyways, with that, that's all I got for now. Lewis, keep on doing what you're doing. You know, it's honestly fantastic, and I love every minute of it. No hate to you whatsoever. See you guys next time. Don't forget the golden rule.